So today I have this new PixCut S1 photo sticker printer and cutter. This one is from, I don't know if it's pronounced Liene or Liene. I don't know what the brand is called for sure, but they did send this one over for me to try out, and it's really, really cool because you can do both photos and you can do stickers. It'll cut it out and everything for you. So we're going to try this out for the first time. I haven't tested it yet. It's been sitting here for a few days. My daughters are going crazy because they really want to use it, and I told them they can't until I actually get a video. So everything that comes in the box, we have our user manual, and there is an app or a little QR code that you'll scan to get a user guide or to get the app. You could also just search the app, the Liene or whatever photo, and you'll be able to pop it up. Now, everything else that comes in here, you have your power adapter, of course. Now, it does come with 2 packs of paper. So you got photo paper and you got one that's the sticker paper. They're both slightly different sizes. The photo paper is 4x6 and the sticker paper is a 4x7. And you could get refills of those. You get 18 of each one. So you could print 18 photos and you could print 18 sheets of different stickers of different sizes. It also does come with your ink cartridge. Now, I don't know for sure how much you can actually print off of a cartridge. I will have to look into that and see if I can find the answer. And then we have our main unit here, and I'll show you a little bit of this unit. Over here we have our power button, which is also going to have the LED indicator letting you know when it's turned on. Over here, or in the back side, this is where you're going to put your photo paper, and this is your tray that you're going to put the paper in. Up here is the storage, and then you're just going to pop it on out down here when you are ready to do your printing, once you add your paper in. We'll do that here in just a moment, but let's put that back into the storage. So it's really nice that this stays nice and neat. Over here is where we have our other little door, and this is where we're going to be able to put our ink cartridge in. We'll put that here in just a moment as well. And then we do have an outlet here for your power and for USB Type-C. This is made where you can hook it up to a computer. It does not come with the Type-C, and I'm not going to do the computer today. We're just going to use the app because that is the easiest one. And everybody has a phone, everybody has an app, but not everybody likes to use a computer. And then on this side, this will pop right out. And this is where your stickers and everything is going to come out. And this is also a little cutter here. And this little cutter, you can actually remove it and replace it if you ever need to. But this is what's going to be able to cut all your stickers into precise cuts for stickers. We'll be playing with that as well. I think this is going to be really cool. And then that's just magnetic, this door. So it just pops right back on when you're done. And that's pretty much it for the unboxing and stuff. So let's go ahead and hook this up. I already have the app downloaded. I did do that ahead of time. And I haven't gone through the app yet. We're going to do that together. But let's get this stuff out of the way. I wish I had my studio and overhead view and everything to show a little bit better. But I'm still living in an RV at the moment. So I'm kind of limited on what I can show or how I show. So let's go ahead and play with this and give this a try. We're going to start out with the photos. I'll look for a photo that I can print here without, exposing my kids and stuff, because as most people know, I don't like to put anybody else's photos except for my own. So I'll just find something that I did, whether it's nature or myself or whatever. So I guess first off, we need to go ahead and get that ink cartridge in here and have that ready. So we're going to pop this door open. All right, there we go. That inserted. It only goes in one direction, so we're not going to have to worry about putting it in the wrong way. They made that pretty dummy proof. And then we need to load up the paper. And there is a little guide here for the different sizes. We got 4x6 and 4x7. So when you're putting the sticker paper in, you're going to pull this little tab down when you place it in. And that's it. And otherwise, you don't have to do anything with that. Alright, so it looks like you could go either direction. They're pretty much the same. They got little cutout points on both sides. And then we're going to put our tray in. There we go. So far, this is pretty easy to set up. And we go ahead and get it plugged in. And when you power it up, you're going to see your LED indicator here. I'm going to go ahead and pop that out. And let's get a recording started. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and get a screen recording on the phone here. That way I can show you everything that's in the app. So we're blinking. Let's go ahead and add our printer. We got the PixCut S1. and turn on, hold the power button for 3 seconds. We did that. Allow, connect printer. All right, we're going to try this again. I had a recording showing the start of the app, setting it up and everything, but for some reason this phone wasn't saving it, and I had to reboot it and stuff, so we lost that part. So anyway, to go in to connect it, all you got to do is turn on your Bluetooth, go into the Bluetooth, look for this printer, connect it, go back to the app, it's ready to go. That's it. Now with the app, I haven't had a chance to really use it yet. I did find a photo to just send to use for now, but we're going to hit the plus. You got the 4x7 sticker, you got the 4x6 photo paper. You want to make sure that you click the right one. So we're going to click that 4x6 photo paper, and then you have the option to do a classic photo print, a photo collage, or the ID photos. So we'll do a classic photo. I'm just going to choose a random photo that I took the other day when I was out working out and just hiking the property, and we're going to see how that turns out. Oh, I got to select the photo. And then we're going to go ahead and click the next. Default print quality is max paper. Tap to edit. So you can actually go in and you can edit this. And then we have it transmitted over to this. It says it's parsing the photo. Do not exit the app during printing. So now it's going to start messing with the printing here. And then I want to try and capture some of this to show you. Now it's going to do several passes. Right now it's printing yellow, and oh, this side actually. And then it's going to come out with yellow, and it's going to go back and it's going to add the different colors until it's done. Now it's adding or printing magenta. I can't talk today. Now we got cyan, which is going to add more of our color. Hey, that actually looks pretty darn good. Now it's going to laminate it. And we're done. All right, cool. And then you can cut off the ends here, or tear them off, I should say. That's pretty darn good quality, I would say. Maybe not the best picture, but it's got really good color. It's laminated and everything. I would say that that's pretty decent, actually. Now, like I mentioned, with this one, you're going to have to pull that little tab over to the 5x7 when you're putting this in here. All right, so for the sticker paper, we have the option of doing a canvas, and you can add different photos. You can upload them. You can make your own stuff. For this demonstration, we are going to go to some templates. Let's find a couple here, or find one that we can use. So you can create your custom photo sticker, sticker content. I'm just going to choose a random one. We are going to do the monsters. And let's go ahead and make those stickers. All right, so we want to, please subscribe. Okay. All right, so it is preparing. I'm curious how well this is going to work out. All right, so we got transmitted. It should be printing here shortly. It's pretty friendly to user, or user-friendly, I should say. I really can't talk today. Makes it pretty easy to figure out. You don't really have to use a manual or anything, which is really nice. This is going to be something that's going to be easy enough for my kids to even figure it out. Heck, they might actually do a better job than me. So it's printing just like it does with the printer, or like with the photo paper. And then we'll see how it works for the cutting part. All right, so now it says it's going to do the cutting. So I'm assuming it's going to pop out this other, yep, there it is. So we're on the other end now. But now the little cutter is going to cut each individual sticker all the way around it, which is really cool. And it knows exactly where to cut too. And it's actually pretty fast. I've never had any kind of like sticker maker or printer like this. This is really neat. This is actually the best photo printer I've ever had. But it's got all the stickers all cut out and everything. Let's see how easily... And then you can easily pull your stickers off. And there we go. So that's really, really cool. Alright, so that's going to be my quick demo for this printer. I don't want to waste too much of the papers for the demo part, because I did promise my girls that I'd let them play with this and have some fun with it. But it makes stickers really easy, really well. It prints pretty darn fast. It cuts pretty fast. Took a couple minutes for everything. It makes pretty good photo printer, or photo prints. Yeah, I really can't talk today. But it makes really good photos. You got your 4x6 photos. You got your 4x7 stickers. I can't hold on to anything either. But overall, I'm going to say I really like this printer. I think it works really well. Really easy to figure it out. I didn't use it one time before this, and it was pretty simple to figure it out within seconds of doing the demo live for you guys. So I think anybody can easily figure this out. Anybody can easily work this. I haven't tried it on a computer. I probably won't, just because the app is so much easier, and everybody has a phone. Everybody has the app. So I think everybody, or most people, are going to go more towards that. But if anybody has any questions, I'll definitely do a follow-up video later on. Maybe I'll get some more packs of the photo paper and the sticker paper. That way I have some. I know my girls are going to go crazy now that they can actually use this, because they've already been going crazy for the last week wanting to open it. And it's going to be perfect for the holidays coming up for anybody that wants to actually make stickers, or you want to like print memories, or maybe you want to give this as a gift for somebody to do the same thing. I know this is also good for like scrapbooking. They even have a tab in there for scrapbooking. But yeah, that's going to be my quick demo. I hope you guys liked it. I think it's pretty cool. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.